Yes, you read the thumbnail right. There is a best way to learn English, but nobody seems to wanna do it. And hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, Grateful's. Ang tinutukoy kong best way para matutuhang mag-English is to use it. Dapat ay gamitin ito. At sa video na ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 paraan kung paano ba natin magagamit ang English sa pang-araw-araw natin na buhay. So, kung gusto mo malaman yon, huwag kang bibitaw. I am Ma'am Charlene ko. I teach English lessons online and also career-related tips. And stay tuned! Ayan, alam naman natin na may pagkamapanghusga talaga ang tao, di ba? Kaya naiintindihan ko, Grateful, kung nahihiya ka mag-English sa eskwelahan, sa bahay, sa trabaho, o kahit saan pa man. Pero ang key dito is hindi naman talaga nawawala yung mga mapanghusga kahit na ano pang gusto mong gawin. Kahit na nga tumayo ka lang dyan, may manghusga at manghusga sa'yo eh. Pero ang dapat mong matutuhan ay huwag silang pansinin. Okay? And in learning English, dyan na papasok yung una kong tip. And that is to speak English with your family. Una sa lahat, dapat learning English should not be a chore, but it should be a fun experience for you. So, kailangan maging masaya, hindi na para bang nagiging responsibilidad mo. Hindi ba siya parang trabaho? You should learn how to find ways to make it fun. And first thing is to speak English with your family. Ayan, siguro may mga pamilya dito na yung mga anak or mga babies nila nag-i-English na. Well, that's a good practice. So, maybe sa mga napapanood nila or maybe kayo, ini-English niyo na yung mga anak ninyo. So, sa simple, sabi na, are you hungry? Do you open the fridge? Or what do you want to eat? Dun sa part na yan, tuturuan mo nang mag-English yung baby mo, and at the same time, you could also practice speaking English. O kaya naman sa girlfriend or boyfriend or partner mo, your wife or your husband. I know na hindi naman tayo lahat is English talaga ang basis ng communication with our partners. Pero kahit hindi solid yan, pwede mong pasukan ng pangilan-ngilan na sentences na English. For example, did you buy me my medicines? Or what do you want for dinner? Or, okay, I'll do the dishes. Okay, that is a really good practice. Kasi yung mga ganyan, talaga napapractice yung dila natin. And at the same time, good thing is, totoong tao yung kausap mo. So, it will provide you real life context. Okay, at dahil real life context yan, and that is a family member, so it means you trust them. You know that they won't judge you because you have the same goal, and that is to learn English. So it would be fun because you're going to do it every day and you will observe the progress of one another. So practice English with your family. Huwag mahiya doon, pamilya mo na yun eh. Okay, tip number 2 is speak English at school. Sa tingin ko, ito yung pinakamadaling tip ko sa inyo ngayon because at school, if the teacher's question is English, you could just answer in English. Pwede kang sumagot na English din kasi English naman yung tanong niya. So, anong masama doon? Anong nakakaya doon? Diba? Now, based on my experience as a senior high school teacher, this one is really common that I'll ask them a question. I know and I can feel na alam nila yung sagot because I am asking a question that I taught. Ang tinatanong ko naman is yung bagay na itinuro ko. So, talagang alam nila yung sagot, but they will hesitate to raise their hands. And once you call them, they will ask you, Ma'am, pwede po Tagalog? Yan, wala namang problema dito. But since I am teaching English subjects, writing and reading in senior high school, yung mga subjects na ganon, it will be really appreciated if they would practice their English communication skills. So, why not just raise your hand and answer in English confidently? Kahit na pabarok-barok pa yan or paunti-unti, pautal-utal, translate mo lang sa isip mo, unti-unti masasanay kang mag-English. Kung di naman magbe-benefit niyan, first one is magiging mas mahusay ka na sa English kasi napapractice mo on a daily basis, di ba? Ilan yung subjects natin sa eskwelahan na English yung medium. Second one is dahil nagre-recite ka, of course, it will give you better grades. At kung mas humusay ka sa English, mas may chance na magkaroon yun ng domino effect talaga sa grade mo kasi mas maiintindihan mo na din yung mga English comprehension examinations ninyo. So, tip number 2 is to practice English at school. Tip number 3 is to write in English in your diary or journal. GREATfuls, if you're one of those people who are into writing, then you should start doing it. Diba kapag nagda-diary or journal naman tayo, maybe would just like to state what happened to us today or maybe our plans for tomorrow or in the future. But no matter how simple your thoughts are, as long as you write it in English, then it will help you. It will help you hone your English writing skills. At ang bonus pa dyan is mas magiging aware ka sa spelling because you write it down. Okay? Mas mas into writing, di siya more on speaking, but it's a way to practice your English communication skills and your writing, di ba? Ma-enhance mo rin yun kapag nagsulat ka sa diary or journal mo in English language. Lagi mo yung mga gagawin mo bukas, ilista mo. Gumawa ka ng to-do list. Wash the dishes, clean the bathroom, or iron the clothes, wash the clothes, do the laundry, things like that. It will become a process for you. It will become a routine na magiging familiar ka na dun sa mga verbs na yon, di ba? And we're down to tip number 4, and that is to pray or to meditate in English. Ilang beses ko na rin to sinabi sa mga videos ko, GREATfuls, na kapag nagdarasal tayo or kapag nagme-meditate, we have some alone time. Ang kausap natin dyan, it can be ourselves or God, di ba? So, siya yung kausap natin. Alam naman natin na hindi niya tayo huhusgahan. So, when we meditate, di ba, we talk to ourselves, we state our thoughts, our ideas, our problems, our wishes. So, why not do it in English? Di ba? Even if you pray or meditate in low voice, or maybe you do it in your head, dun lang sa isip mo, it's better to do it in English because you could use English words, it could widen your vocabulary, and you could also encounter English words that you may, use in real life situations. And ito, tinuturo sa amin to ng mga teachers na kapag ang learning experience ay may kaakibat na emotion, katulad nga nito sa pagdarasal or meditate natin, that will provide us a more concrete learning experience. Mas matatandaan natin yung ginagawa natin. So, this practice is really good. And last tip for this video na pwede mong magamit sa pang-araw-araw ng English is tip number 5, find a language exchange partner. Okay, from the word itself, language exchange, ibig sabihin, magpapalitan kayo ng lingwahe. So, pwede mo itong magawa kasi, di ba, medyo limited naman yung mga foreigners sa paligid natin, and not all of them are available in learning English every day. So, I am advising you to do it online. So, you could search in Facebook groups, Quora, or sa Reddit, or anywhere, sa Twitter maybe, kung may mahanap ka, or maybe even some other apps like YouTube or other social media. So, pwede kang maghanap ng ka-language exchange partner mo. Pwedeng ang mahanap, halimbawa sa search mo, English Filipino, o kaya Learn English Filipino. So, kadalasan kapag ganyan yung mga group na makikita mo sa Facebook, ibig sabihin yung mga members nun, it's either gustong matutong mag-English or gustong matutong mag-Filipino. Okay? Kadalasan sa kanila is yung mga foreigners na gustong manirahan dito sa Pilipinas, o kaya naman foreigners na merong kamag-anak o kaibigan na Filipino na gusto rin nilang matutuhan yon. So that is really good because you two can converse in English and you could learn from him or from her, kung sino man yung kapartner mo, makakakuha ka ng mga vocabulary words. And at the same time, you will return the favor. Natuturuan ka niya mag-English and ikaw naman, matuturuan mo siya mag-Filipino. Okay? Now, medyo lang natin, baguhin lang natin ng konti. Kung walang available na foreigner na pwedeng makausap, pwede naman language partner or language buddy. It can be your coworker, your relationship partner, ayan, anyone in your circle. So, pwede mo yung makapartner. Hindi na nga lang siya language exchange. It's more on language buddy na siya dahil makakasama mo siya. So, you could allot like 30 minutes on speaking English on yourself, di ba? Pwede kayong dalawang mag-usap ng English tungkol sa mga nangyari sa inyo ngayong araw. Kahit na pareho kayo nangangapa, it will be fun, you know? And sasalalayan o alalayan nyo na lang ito ng mga pag-search sa Google kung ano ba yung tamang spelling, ano ba yung dapat na gamitin na ganito. Kapag napansin nyo na, oops, para mali na sabi ko, oops, wow, tama ako. So, that's the fun of learning English with a partner. Ayan, GREATfuls. So, yun ang 5 tips ko on how you could use English every day. Tandaan na kung nagbibisikleta ka araw-araw, mas matututo ka mag-bike, mas gagaling ka magbalanse, mas bibilis ka, mas makakapag-focus ka sa daan. The same thing with English. Kung araw-araw mo itong ginagawa, sinasabi, sinusulat, ibig sabihin, mas mapapractice ka rin. Okay? So, yung 5 tips na yun, gawin mo sana every day. And I hope that you found this video not just informative but also inspiring, because learning English is a process. It's not an easy process, but I'm telling you that the rewards are, I'm telling you that the rewards can be huge. It is a really rewarding skill that you can gift yourself with. Pwede mong talagang grow, paglaguan bilang tao, at pwede mong pagkakitaan pa, di ba? If you know English, there will be a lot of job opportunities that will open for you. Once again, I am Ma'am Charlene, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye-bye, GREATful!